electronic headed home. Electronic. Hi everyone, my dear ones. I want to thank all of you, my subscribers, and everyone who follows and watches my channel, who leaves comments, who hits the like button. Thank you so much. You give me the motivation to keep going. Thanks also for your support, for the emotions you share in your comments. It is just awesome. It gives me support and motivation to keep going and to film even more videos about my favorite roads, highways, my favorite little buses, and so on. I love my little buses and I love you, my dear subscribers. I want to congratulate you all from the bottom of my heart. Everyone who is watching me, my dear subscribers. Happy upcoming New Year, Happy New Year, and Merry Christmas. I hope everything goes great for you, and I wish all of you good health and good luck. And really, I wish you all the very best and brightest in your life.